Right, we've got the blender. We're now putting in strawberries. I had about 8 strawberries there chopped up. Now putting in the bananas, and I chopped up 2 bananas. Now we're using half a teaspoon for the set honey. This is an option, it's up to you if you want to add a bit of sweetness to it. You could probably have a teaspoon if you wanted, but I'm putting in half a teaspoon. So I'm not sure how sweet it will be. And I'm now putting in 200 millilitres of milk. Now I'm using 1%. You might like to use whole milk or whatever your preference is. I'm now going to close it down and blitz it. I'm now going to put a spoon in just to make sure it's all been blitzed properly. If there's any big lumps in there, just blitz it a little bit more. But that seems to be alright. So I'm now going to take it out of the blender and I'm going to pour it into a glass. Alright, there we go. This is just strawberries and bananas. I mean, you can use apple. You can use whatever your favourite fruit is. And some people even put some vanilla yoghurt in. It's whatever you fancy. You just have to keep doing it when you want a smoothie and see what best suits you.